Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. Zilliqa is still moving sideways after breaking out the resistance of this down channel on the daily time frame. And in today's video, we will analyze whether are we going to have a powerful move to the upside or we are going to retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start this analysis. First of all, let me to recall this very big bullish harmonic reversal pattern that Zilliqa has formed on the weekly time frame. And I shared this chart on 18th of December for my members at the Patreon. At that time, the price line just completed the final leg and it was moving at 6.2 cents. And our targets, the harmonic targets, Fibonacci based, are from 9.4 cents and goes to 12.21 cents. However, the move can be bigger because this is really very big bullish reversal on the weekly time frame. And our buying zone was from 6.9 cents and goes to 5 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line reversed very well. And from 6.2 cents, so far it has rallied up to 8.5 cents. And this move is started, it's geared up and moved above this buying zone. And I'm expecting that soon it can hit the sell targets. Now, let's move back to this daily time frame. And here we can see that the price line has broken out this resistance of the down channel after a long time frame. It was entered the channel here in the month of October 2021 and broke out the resistance here at the end of December. And now it is still, after a short rally, it is still moving sideways here. Now, if I place a trend line at this spike of the candlestick where the price line is moving here, then we can see if we switch back to the 4-hourly time frame, then the price line is getting accumulated at this support. And this is really very important support because previously it has been breaking as a resistance here, And if we move back, and we can see that at several places, it has been breaking as a support and as a resistance. If we switch to the daily time frame, then it will be more visible for us that here it has been breaking as a support, here it has been breaking as a support, and now it is again breaking as a support after breaking out this resistance level. Now, if we switch back to the 4-hourly time frame, then here the price line has also found a resistance, and this is the descending triangle formation. Previously, we were following a symmetrical triangle, but we have now more touch points here at this support where you can see the price line is getting accumulated here. Therefore, now it has become a descending triangle. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle now, then our imminent target after the breakout will be approximately 8.7 cents. And in case of breakdown, we can move more down to retest this previous resistance of the channel as a support. However, the target for this triangle will be approximately 6.3 cents, and we will be re-entered in this big potential reversal zone of a Garlet pattern back. Now, the bigger target for this channel, which is already broken out, can be first at this resistance that is approximately at 9.5 cents, and the final target can be here approximately at 12 cents. That is almost the same target that I've shared here as per this harmonic Garlet move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.